Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to get a crazy high score in Block Blast, and how you can do it too. As you can see right here on my iPhone, I've already used this method, and the score I hit is honestly kind of ridiculous. It blew past all my previous records, and I'm still shocked at how well it worked. What's great is that the method I'm about to show you is super easy to follow. You don't need to be a gaming pro, and you definitely don't need any complicated tools. All you have to do is watch this video carefully and follow each step I show. That's it. I've tested it myself, and it worked like a charm. And I've seen a bunch of comments from others who tried it and got similar results. So yeah, if you're tired of being stuck at the same score and want to start racking up those big numbers in Block Blast, you're in the right place. One quick thing. If this works for you, please take a second to like the video, subscribe, and maybe drop a comment down below. It really helps the channel out and lets me know this kind of content is helpful to you guys. Alright, let's get into it. Stick with me until the end, follow everything I do, and I promise, you'll be hitting those high scores in no time. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Block Blast and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.